At 20 years old, he was looking at a lifetime of being on narcotics, and that's no life. He wasn't working. He was severely depressed, not getting out of bed. These results could be game changing for people. This is another gentleman who had so much pain. And when we were able to show him the dysfunction, okay, well, now he's going to listen to his wife and go and get some body work done. But prior to that, he didn't really see or understand how body work could help him. And once he understood the asymmetry and the dysfunction that he had, well, if he doesn't do something, he's on the way to a hip replacement and knee replacements. Um, and his back was he was really struggling. So now he'll get some work done and be a happy camper. Descending patterns we talked about come from the jaw, from the neck area, and create instability all the way down. We have to be highly aware of this because if the jaw and neck are out of alignment and there's dysfunction all the way down, I mean, there's weakness in the respiratory center, there's weakness in your digestive system. Every organ is going to be impacted.